Forex Planet.
Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. Okay, so this is the chart of gold according to day one candle, and let me remind you my words that I shared with you in the last forecast. Okay, so this is Fibonacci retracement, and this I have applied this, and as you can see these are the exact areas. Let me draw it. So this was the area number 1 and this was the area number 2. If you remove this Fibonacci level and remove the long term time frame into shorter time frame according to H4. Okay, so I told you these are the two areas on which the market will move. So the next target, I already told you, we have next target on 30602 to 3067, and now as you can see the exactly market is moving in front of according to our analysis. So this was old analysis, and let me share you the new one. Okay, again one thing I told you when market was here, this is H4's channel, and let me show you. I told you when a zone is broken down by the market, it is always done by a strong engulfing candle. Here we have a strong bullish engulfing candle. For example, the market broke out this zone here, strong bearish engulfing pattern, again strong bearish engulfing pattern, again strong bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, so when every time the market break the zone, it will always be a strong candle. Okay, so let's come back to our topic. Let's say this is the zone number 1, a perfect zone, and I told you in my free as well as in our VIP group that this is a perfect zone. If you scroll down in our group, you will find out that we shared this channel yesterday, and I told you according to H1 and M30 chart. I told you if market is not going to break this structure, we are going to see the gold in the couple of days on 3060. So as you know, the zone is always a zone. We have this strong zone right now, and market is going up without any retracement level. Let's suppose according to the Fibonacci retracement, the next area is 3060 and market is almost now 3030. Okay, so now there are two possibilities by the market. First, the market can go up directly. Okay, the second and a solid one, the market can retrace till this mini zone or maybe on this major zone. Okay, this the red big area is very important for the market. If market is going to go more up, then there is a need to retrace this area, because this is not the movement of the market, this is suicidal movement. It should retrace, and we will see a selling couple of days. In the couple of days, maybe on this zone or maybe on this red zone. But let me share you the scenario number 1. For example, the gold will come to this topic, to this level, sorry, and then it will retrace on this level or maybe on this level. This is the scenario number 1, and scenario number 2 is the market can fall first on this zone and then it will go up. So in both cases, our target is bullish. Maybe from this red zone, maybe the big red zone. So let's come to H1 topic so we can find more opportunities. Okay, in H1 candle time frame, this zone is also retraceable, and as you know, this is also a major zone. So yes, a strong pullback is required by the market to go more up. I have already shared the scenario to you, 6061. Okay, so the market maybe can retrace first in the buying side, then it will give a sell move. Keep in the mind, the market will give a strong selling move. Maybe in the couple of days it will fall on this zone. Why? Because this zone is unretraceable. The market need to break the zone. And one more, let me show you why market use this, why we gave a buy signal from here. Let me show you once again. And suppose we have H4 time period. Yes, there was a selling here, there was a buying here, like that. Okay, so this was the zone. That's why we shared a chart in our VIP group that market can retrace here. But now I know buying is suitable due to war. The America and UK has successfully launched a missile on Yemen. That's why the market is going up. But when it came to down, it will surely retest this zone. As you know, principle is very important. I know the gold is in the bullish direction. Then it will maybe it will retest 306 first, and then it will give a sell zone. If it will not happen, maybe it will go more up, then we will surely record a video to update you. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can join our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for your time.